How to remove family link from Google account. Removing family link from Google account without parents' phone is not possible because you require passwords. So without password, it's not possible to remove family link as it's intentional to prevent unauthorized access to accounts, especially those involving parental controls. So today in this video, I will be guiding you how to remove family link from Google account using parents phone. So on your parents phone, you have to go to settings. So once you open the settings section, you have to scroll all the way down on this feed of settings, then tap on Google. Wait for a moment until you get access to other page. Now on this section, select Manage your Google account. And once the Google account opens, scroll from the list of the titles at the top and select People and Sharing. And on this page, as you can see, your family on Google. So if any family members are linked on this Google account, then you will find the list of those family members on this page. So once you find out those members, you have to tap on the member that you want to remove from your Google account. Then you just have to select remove member. Then on the other pages, you might get the option to enter the Google password. You just have to enter the Google password, then tap on next button. And then in order to confirm removing, you just have to select confirm button, then you are done. So once you have followed all the steps, you will easily remove the family link from Google account. So that's it for today. I hope this video worked for you. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button. If you are new to our channel, then subscribe it for more updates.